It's Grimm's Toy Show Action Insider Figure Review with your host, Ebenezer Middlesdorf. Yeah, I know you wrestling guys don't give a fuck about Transformers, but I'm looking for Masterpiece Thundercracker all over the place, and I can't fucking find them. I'm gonna go into a nerd rage. Look, Thundercracker, $69.99. You're not fucking Thundercracker! What the fuck are you? Fuck you piece of shit! Fuck you, it's nerd rage! I'm gonna bash it! Fuck you, piece of shit! Motherfuck you, cockball fucker! Oh, I'm pissed off now. I'm really gonna do a sarcastic review of this stupid WWE shipper here. They ain't gonna have anything good in this fucking thing. Holy sheep shit! Ma, quick, get the cart! Look at all these fucking rumblers! This shit's awesome! Ma, get the cart! Go! Yes!
Over here?
Yes! Move your ass! Get the fucking cart! Get the money! Get the credit cards! Holy sheep shit! Holy gefilte fish! Holy ass fucking Asian honeybees! And other assorted catchphrases! They got Christian! They got Wade Barrett! Look at all these John Cenas! Holy fuck! Oh my god, I've never seen so many awesome Rey Mysterios and John Cenas in one spot! Who's this? Wade Barrett? Well, fuck, that's a different thing. I don't want him. Yes! 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 More Rey Mysterios! Fucking Sheamus! Yeah, oh, I'm so glad they don't have Hornswoggle or Jinder Mahal. Who the fuck would want those assholes? Yes! Look at this! More Randy Ortons! Yes! I'm so glad they got this shipper in. They got more Randy Ortons. And fuck you, Evan Bourne. I don't want to buy that shit. What's... Oh, yeah, look. Oh, and Yoshitatsu. Fuck him. I don't want to buy him. That's a new figure. Why would I want that? I want Cena. What the crossbones is this? A Four Horsemen gift set exclusive? Holy shit, I gotta... Watch some of my other videos. You might have missed something funny. And please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.